welcome back to another, well, today isn't a vlog but video, and today is Vlogmas day 17. Little round of applause there. So we're almost at the end, which is crazy to me. Every single day that I do this and I continue to see the days moving up and up, it's still really crazy that I was able to go through so far, but I'm almost finished. Is it tiring? Yes, but it's worth it. I like the experience that I've had with it so far. So yeah, I think it's been good, and I see that you guys have been enjoying the video so far, which is great, which is good. So for this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite Christmas movies. Know that it's really kicking into the season. The 25th is coming closer and closer and stuff like that. I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite Christmas movies. Now, over the years, I do realize that not my Christmas spirit, but watching the movies or really getting the vibe to watch the movies, it kind of decreased little by little. But maybe that's my fault, or I don't know. I don't know if that's my fault or not, because I focus so much on school during the year and stuff like that. When it comes down to Christmas, I just want to sleep. I just want rest. I want to be able to just go to bed and just get through the day. So maybe that's why I haven't been able to really get into the movie watching part of it. But when I do get into it, I'm very committed. I'm all in. Like, I'll watch like three Christmas movies a day. Honestly, that's it. Okay, so the first one, which is my favorite one actually, the first one is The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. That is my favorite Christmas movie. I'm not gonna say that this Christmas movie isn't for everybody. It is for everybody. It's a family fun Christmas movie. It's very funny, super comedic. Like, it's such a good Christmas movie. It's a classic also, right? I feel like when it comes towards Christmas, this is one of the first things you think of, The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. And number 2 on my list, and this goes for all three of these because this is a trilogy and I'm sure everybody knows this. Home Alone 1, 2, and 3. Now, I know that there are more, but these are the ones I feel are the best out of the set that is out there. So Home Alone 1, 2, and 3. Specifically 1 and 2 more, but 3 is also really good. My family enjoys 3 the most, but I enjoy 1 and 2 the most. And I also feel like when you look online, Home Alone 3 doesn't really get a lot of love or a lot of excitement like how Home Alone 1 and 2 gets. But that's okay. I definitely do think that people should watch Home Alone 3 though. It's really, really good. But 1 and 2 are my top favorites, and then there's 3. So that is how it goes for me. But the Home Alone entire franchise is so good. It's family friendly, kid friendly. And if you've never watched Home Alone, I definitely recommend you to watch it. So third one, and this one isn't for everybody. I watched this when I was much smaller, but growing up I continued to watch it over and over again because I used to see come on like local TV programs, like TVJ or CBN. Polar Express. Now, if you don't know what Polar Express is, let me give you a little idea. So basically, it's this magical train that is going to the North Pole, and it's picking up kids on the train, and they're going to the North Pole to see Santa Claus the night before Christmas. And it sounds weird, but if you watch it, you'll get the true essence of it. Very kid friendly because it is animated, and I also feel like Polar Express is just a true classic, specifically for kids. Polar Express isn't really something like grown-ups would watch when it comes towards Christmas time, but that's okay. I'm a kid at heart. I am not fully grown at yet. I am a kid at heart, so that's why I like the more animated ones. So Polar Express, I think, is really good too. Next is This Christmas. If you guys know the song like This Christmas, then it's based off of that movie, or the song was in that movie. That it's very much family oriented. That movie, family oriented. It's a great Christmas movie. I do recommend it for the entire family. Kids, mom, dad, sister, brother, uncle, grandma, all of them. I recommend everybody to just sit down and watch this as a family, honestly, because it's very family oriented. It speaks on being a family during the Christmas time and what happens. I suggest you sit down with your family, just have like a movie night. This movie is great for like a Christmas family movie night. It's so good, honestly. It's a good 9 out of 10 for me. It's really, really nice. Next one is The Nightmare Before Christmas. Now, this one is more of an animated Christmas movie, but it's good to me. This one is for a specific, what do you say? This is for a specific set of people. This is for a specific target audience to watch, which is The Nightmare Before Christmas. This is not for everybody. It's not necessarily for, I'm not gonna say grown people, because a lot of grown people watch it too. But it's basically like a Halloween / Christmas movie, which is the nightmare part of it, and then before Christmas. So it's not really scary, honestly. Even though you hear Nightmare Before Christmas, it's not scary. And it's also kind of like a love story too, which is really, really nice. But as I said, it's for a specific target audience. The next one, this one is I would say it's not really a classic, but it's a more of a newer one. Not newer in like, oh, it's been like a year since they put out one, which I'm not sure, because it was 3 of them, but I only like the first one. It's called The Princess Switch on Netflix. I don't know if anybody has heard of it, but a lot of people have watched it. My dad was the one who told me about it. At first I was very skeptical about it, but I watched it and I liked it. I watched all 3 of them, but the first one is definitely my favorite. The second to last one is Frosty the Snowman, and the reason why I said Frosty the Snowman is because this one is just a cute little short jingle of a show. Just a little jingle of a show. Normally this is always played on Christmas Day, early in the morning, when everybody is eating breakfast or setting up, to make breakfast, or when they're after breakfast is done and they're taking like a little break before they're going to making dinner and stuff like that. And that is when they would essentially, or that's when it's essentially aired at that time. It's not really a recommendation, but it's definitely something for kids to watch, and it's just so cute. Honestly, as I said, it's just a little jingle of a show. Then Charlie Brown Christmas. Charlie Brown Christmas is another one that is played the same timing right after Frosty the Snowman, and maybe even before. It's, as I said, it's just a little cartoon Christmas movie. It's not long, super short. So I really think those are like, nice little movies. They are watched on Christmas morning, as I said. So after you open up your presents and all of these things, you would watch it, or you can watch it while you're having breakfast. So those are my recommendations for Christmas movies. If you guys have, or should I say, those are my favorite Christmas movies, not my recommendations, but those are my favorite Christmas movies. I have a lot more, very much. It's a very long list. And yeah, that's it from me. That's the end of the video, guys. If you guys have any favorite Christmas movies that you watch, you can tell me down in the comments down below. I'd love to hear them, to see if we have similar tastes or if it's different. I also like to try out seeing new Christmas movies all the time. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment down below, as I said, your favorite Christmas movies. This is the end of Vlogmas Day 17, and I will see you guys on Day 18. Bye!